Introduction. Ansh's parents have taken him to watch a circus show. This is his first visit to a circus. He notices that the houses of the circus people are quite different from the houses he and his friends and relatives live in. He asks his father to tell him more about houses. In this lesson, you will learn about housing. Need for house. Human beings live in houses with their families. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, animals, thieves. A house has roof, walls, floors, doors, and windows. A good house is divided into many rooms, such as the drawing room, dining room, bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, and storeroom. It is spacious and well ventilated. It receives adequate sunlight. Caves. Early man lived in caves. Caves are large, natural openings in rocks. People and animals can enter and leave these openings. Caves are dark. They are found in rocky areas. Many animals live in caves. Kacha house. In villages, houses are built with mud and straw. Such houses are called kacha houses. They are weak. They are easily destroyed by earthquakes, storms and floods. Kacha houses are single-storied. Pakka house. In towns and cities, houses are built with bricks, cement, and concrete. Such houses are called pakka houses. They are strong. They can withstand earthquakes, storms and floods. Pakka houses can be single or multi-storied. Some single-storied pakka houses are huge. They are called bungalows. Flats. Flats are multi-storied pakka houses. A number of families live in these houses. Flats are cheaper than bungalows. Caravans. Caravans are houses on wheels. They are mobile homes. People use them to live in and travel. Caravans may be big or small. Some of them have many rooms. People engaged in making houses. Many people are involved in making a house. They are the architect, engineer, and laborers. The architect designs the house. The engineer suggests materials for building the house. The laborers build the house with bricks, cement, and concrete. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. A house protects us from cold, heat, wind, rain, animals, and thieves. A kacha house is a weak house made of mud and straw. A pakka house is a strong house made of cement and brick. Bungalows are single-storied pakka houses. Flats are multi-storied pakka houses. Caves are large natural openings in rocks. Caravans are houses on wheels. Architects, engineers, and laborers are involved in making houses.